Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ZCC tea. First, gather your essential elements. You will need fresh, clean water, a suitable pot for brewing, and your preferred tea leaves or blend. Also, have a heat source and a serving cup prepared for the next steps. Next, prepare your infusion. Heat your water to the correct temperature. For most teas, this is just before boiling, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Measure approximately 1 teaspoon of tea leaves for every 8 ounces of water you plan to use. Then, carefully place these measured tea leaves into your chosen brewing vessel. Now, let's move to the brewing process. Gently pour the heated water directly over the tea leaves in your vessel. Allow the tea to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. The exact steeping time can vary based on your desired strength and the type of tea, but avoid oversteeping to prevent bitterness. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your tea. Carefully strain the tea leaves from the liquid to ensure a smooth drink. Pour the freshly brewed tea into your prepared serving cup. You can now add any optional sweeteners, like a spoonful of honey or a slice of lemon, and savor your warm, comforting beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.